Hi, welcome back. You need to congratulate yourselves. You have the tools now and the skills required to start writing. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to take an idea, use our sentences, and make a paragraph out of it. And again, this is an unbelievable system. Takes all the thinking out of it. Now you're using all the skills you have to write the sentence. So the first thing we're going to start with is called a skeleton paragraph. So what you can do is download the PDF at the bottom of this page. It's a template, and it has the same thing that I'm going to write here. So we're going to use that in hand. So when you write a paragraph, the first thing I want you to do is write a skeleton paragraph. A skeleton means it doesn't have the muscle, the nerves, it doesn't have that. It just has the bones. That's what this is for your paragraph. If you follow this method, you will never have writer's block, and you'll never find yourself saying, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to write. This takes all the guesswork out of it, okay? So let's get started. So first thing you need for any paragraph, you must have a topic sentence. That tells the reader what this paragraph is about. Now remember, in the English language, one paragraph, which is this symbol here, means one idea. That's it. One idea. So, in writing, there isn't anybody there to ask questions. So someone reads it, you have to write in this method. So let's talk about the black dog. Let's say the topic sentence is, the black dog is mean. So that's my topic sentence. That tells the reader this paragraph will be about supporting the fact that the black dog is mean. So I'm just going to write down some trigger thoughts or trigger words that I'll later set to sentence structure. So I'm going to write down ideas that prove he's mean. So I'm going to say, well, he bites people. He fights with dogs. He growls at people. He chases the mailman or mail person. He foams. He foams at the mouth, showing that he's vicious. He wears a spiked collar. That makes him look mean. Okay? And then you can write other things in here, your own ideas that prove he's mean. So I can say something like, he doesn't like cats, fights with cats. Okay, another one can be, he breaks through the screen door to get out. That's a very mean dog. What else would prove he's mean? How about he attacks people for no reason? And he has to wear a special collar that says, keep away. So, when you look at your skeleton, do all these things support the topic sentence that the dog is mean, that the black dog is mean? Yes, they do. What if I said something like, and the dog likes to lick people? Does that prove he's mean or he's nice? Okay? So that's how you write a paragraph. You start with a topic sentence, you have 10 supporting ideas that prove that topic sentence or support the idea of that topic sentence. And this is where you heard the common terms. Main idea, supporting ideas. So when your teacher is talking about a book you read or the story, they ask, what was the main idea? That means, what's the topic? What's the topic sentence? What were the supporting ideas? What proved it? What supported this? And this is how you construct a paragraph. So I want you to download the PDF, and I want you to fill in your own topic sentence with your own trigger words. And then I'm going to show you how we turn this into a regular paragraph using our sentences. Now, the beauty of this program is when you can write one paragraph, you can write 3 paragraphs. That means your essay is pretty much done. And then we use your topic sentences to write your introduction. Your introduction is done because you already have your topic sentence. And then we take your introduction and we mirror it and we write your conclusion. The essay process is completed. This is an unbelievable method of writing essays. Okay? So download the PDF, make 3 copies, download 3 of these, fill out 3 of them, and then I'll see you in the next lesson.